Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining Moldex3D webinar. I'm Cindy from the R&D division, and today we are going to share with you on the topic of integrating loading simulation and stress simulation. And in today's webinar, we'll start with a brief introduction of stress analysis, and then talk about how we can utilize Moldex3D stress modules. Finally, for those who are using other structural analysis programs, we would like to explain how Moldex3D FEA interface can help achieve more accurate simulation results. So first, let's start with introduction of stress analysis. Stress analysis is one of the most important numerical analysis in CAE application. Imagine you have a new smartphone. Most people use a phone case for protection, but how does the company determine the best material for it? This is where stress analysis comes in. Stress analysis helps to simulate how materials respond to various forces. For example, if a phone case is made from material that cannot withstand impacts, it may not be able to protect the smartphone during drop or collisions. Conversely, using a material that is too rigid might make the case brittle. Stress analysis ensures reliable and efficient design while reducing the cost through less trial and error. Ultimately, it can lead to better products. The mechanical behaviors of plastic products not only depend on mechanical properties of the material, but also strongly depends on manufacturing process. In injection molding plastic parts, some phenomena or defects may caused by injection process which should be considered into subsequent stress analysis. These include flow-induced residual stress, and such as fiber orientation effect or molecule orientation effect, thermal residual stress, well lines, warpage, and so on. Stress analysis on plastic products without considering process-induced factors will lead to incorrect results. So next, we are going to share Moldex3D stress analysis. Moldex3D stress modules enable users to perform stress analysis before and or after injection molding analysis without other FEA software. In Moldex3D stress, we can consider fiber orientation or well line effect,